Petroleum industry, main energy source nowadays, and 1/3 of the original oil, which is 33% of it produced with the help of primary and secondary oil recovery processes. The remaining unproduced 67% of oil are left in the reservoir on account of viscous and capillary forces. At the present time, the basic fields of usage of microbiological engineering in the petroleum industry are broadly famed among the worldwide. By enhanced oil recovery, well induction, refining of oil and water from petroleum pollution, cleaning of the borehole device from paraffin, scoring of salt fields in borehole device and manifolds, and such as different processes depend on usage of microorganisms. And MEOR engages mind with the help of the low price and high potency of being eco-friendly. In terms of material, we have used in this research sample of oil reservoir water taken in the spring of 2018 from existing well Akingan oil field in western Kazakhstan. We identified the presence of spore, for example, by Peshkov methods of staining spores, of microscopic study of cell structure, and it showed all bacterial cultures are represented by Monodiplobacteria, and also the result of the study showed morphological, physiological, and biochemical characteristics of microorganisms isolated from the oil reservoir waters of Akangen deposit, and allowed to identify them by their gender. So the 10 microorganisms cultures are identified with the Berg's manual assigned to the genus Bacillus, and it will apply to needed conditions to support their growth, because indigenous microorganisms that occur in sufficient amounts with supplied nutrients will help to increase in number to occur microbiological processes directly in the petroleum reservoir in order to gain metabolites which enable to the extrusion of petroleum from reservoir. The main value of this action relies on the increasing the oil properties of the input, water applying microorganisms metabolites such as biosurfactants, polysaccharides, solvents, and other compounds. Microbiological mining methods are used as alternative technology since this method does not require a large amount of energy consumption like thermal treatment. Bacteria grow at any exponential rate, enabling the rapid production of large quantities of potential foods using inexpensive and renewable resources. Microbiological methods of enhanced oil recovery are characterized by low capital intensity, high efficiency, and safety for the environment. Laboratory and field experiments have shown that microbial waste products cause clogging of high permeability zones and increase reservoir pressure, which leads to the displacement of oil from microtraps. At the same time, an improvement in the efficiency of wetting rocks, a change in the interfacial tension at the oil-water phase boundary, and a decrease in the viscosity of reservoir will contribute to the displacement of oil from microtraps. By these methods, it will be possible to overcome economically petroleum shortage in all around the world.